English shortened Hindu newspaper dictation 80 words per minute. Start. Neeraj Chopra was identified many years ago for his exceptional talent by then national coach for javelin and then recruited into the army in 2016, an officer from the Mission Olympics wing and Army Sports Institute ASI Pune. The army is also set to start training sportswomen in national sports at ASI within this year. Was the national coach for javelin from 2013 to 2018 and he medal winner himself. He informed the ASI that there is a boy who is throwing the javelin over 80 meter. He has then approached and recruited into the army, the officer said. Apart from gold medalist Neeraj Chopra, 16 of the sport persons from the Indian contingent at the Tokyo Olympics were from the ASI. On Tuesday, Chopra met Chief of Defence Staff General and Army Chief General. He has recruited in the 4 rifles as a direct entry on May 15, 2016, after which he was selected for training at the Mission Olympics wing and the ASI on training sportswomen. The officer said women are now being recruited as soldiers into army, police, and they have already identified 7 from boxing within the year. We should have the first sportswoman in the army. There is a sports quota under which candidates with potential are identified and recruited into the army. They are then provided the support and training to excel in the sports of their choice. About 50 to 20% of the medals in the last 3 Asian Games and 3 Commonwealth Games are from the ASI, which today is one of the best sports establishments in the country. Another officer said. The Mission Olympics wing MOW of the army identifies and trains sportsmen in level disciplines at 5 Mission Olympics nod to excel in various national and international competitions. It was set up by General when he was the army chief to contribute to the national efforts of furthering sporting culture. It has 5 knots for various disciplines. The ASI was supported Chopra in terms of performance monitoring and equipment support along others. The army has supported him all along in terms of coordination, the officer said. There are many stockholders, including the Sports Authority of India and federations, behind his success, the officer said. The silent one is the army. For going to Olympics, one has to go through national camps held by the federations. The army supports sport persons in reaching that level so that they can compete at the national and international level, the officer said.